Are we really going to London?
Yes, Charlotte. It's our first family trip to London.
Wow! I am so excited!
Me too. London is a beautiful city.
What will we see there?
Many famous places and big buildings.
Will we see a big clock?
Yes, you will see Big Ben.
I want to take many photos.
Good idea. Bring your camera.
Can I bring my toy?
Yes, but only one toy.
When will we leave?
Tomorrow morning.
I can't sleep tonight.
Try to sleep early, Elijah.
I will pack my clothes now.
I will help you.
Don't forget your passport.
Okay, Dad. What is a passport?
It is a small book for travel.
We need it at the airport.
Oh, I see.
My bag is ready.
Good job, Charlotte.
Everyone, go to bed early.
Okay, Dad.
Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Wake up. It's time to go.
I am awake. I feel so happy today.
Me too, dear.
Let's go to the airport.
Let's go. The airport is so big.
Yes, many people travel here.
Stay close to me.
Okay, Dad. Where is our plane?
At gate 12.
I see many planes.
They go to many countries.
Our plane is big.
Yes, it is.
I want a window seat.
You can sit by the window.
The plane is flying.
Look outside.
The clouds are beautiful.
Like white pillows.
What? How long is the flight?
Monet, how long is the flight?
Many hours. I will watch a movie.
Good idea.
I will read a book.
Great choice.
I feel sleepy.
You can sleep now. Yeah.
Are we in London now?
Yes, we are landing.
Yes, we are landing. The weather is cool. Yes, it is.
Yes, London is often cool.
I like this weather.
It is very nice.
Where will we stay?
In a hotel near the city centre.
Is the hotel big?
Yes, and comfortable.
Our room is beautiful.
It's beautiful. I'm glad you like it.
I want to jump on the bed.
No jumping, please.
Can we go out now?
Yes, let us explore.
I see red buses.
Those are famous in London.
They are double-decker buses.
Yes, 2 floors.
Can we ride one? Of course. This is so fun.
Oh, enjoy the ride.
I see Big Ben.
It looks amazing.
Oh. Let's take a photo.
Smile.
Cheese.
Perfect photo.
What is next?
We will visit a museum.
Huh? I like dinosaurs.
You will enjoy it.
The museum is huge.
Yes, many things to see.
Look at the big dinosaur.
It's very old.
I learned a lot today.
That's great.
That's great. I am a little tired.
Let's rest soon.
Can we eat dinner?
Yes, let's find a restaurant.
I want fish and chips.
That's a famous dish here.
It tastes so good.
I like it too.
I am full now.
Me too.
Today was amazing.
Yes, a great first day.
What will we do tomorrow?
Visit a park.
I love parks.
You will love this one.
Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Good night.
Sleep well. Wake up, kids.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I feel fresh today. Let's have breakfast. I like this bread.
It's very tasty.
Let's go to the park.
Yes, let's go.
The park is so green.
Very peaceful.
I see ducks.
They are cute.
Can we feed them?
Yes, but gently.
This is fun.
Nature is beautiful.
I love London.
Me too.
I don't want to go home.
We can come again.
Really?
Yes, someday.
Thank you, Dad.
This trip is special.
Best trip ever.
I'm happy you think so.
Let's take one more photo.
Good idea.
Smile. Click. I will remember this trip.
Me too.
London is amazing.
Yes, it is.
I learned many new words.
That's great for your English.
I learned too.
I'm proud of you. Oh, I'm proud of you.
Time to go back?
Yes, tomorrow. Yeah, hello. Tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow. I feel a little sad.
It's okay.
We had a great time.
Yes, we did.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Let's pack again. I will help. I will pack my toy.
Good boy.
Everything is ready.
Great job.
Goodbye, London.
See you again.
This was our best trip.
I agree.
I love our family trips.
And we love you.